Hari Om to all. Today I would like to start with a short story. So, you all know who is Albert Einstein. So, who can tell me who is he? You can raise your hands. Okay, yes, Shreyas.
Uh, I have heard about him that he was a very great scientist. He made many inventions, and his IQ level was very high. I heard like that.
Okay, very good. Next, Pannaga.
Yeah, I heard about him. His brain, was in a different way other than all the remaining human beings. So is the reason he was able to become a great scientist.
Okay, so you all know that Albert Einstein is a scientist. So I would like to tell a short story related to about him. So let me start. So So one day, when Einstein was teaching his class, he was teaching them the tables of, like he was writing the table, 9 times table on the board. So he started with 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, and he went on till 9 times 10. The minute he came to the problem 9 times 10, he wrote 91 by mistake. Then everyone started laughing because Einstein wrote the wrong answer, and the answer for 9 times 10 is 90. So everyone started laughing and teasing him. And Einstein waited until everyone could get silent. And when everyone got silent, Einstein said that when when I solved all the 9 problems correctly, nobody congratulated me. But when I did one problem wrong, everyone started laughing. So, in life, even though you are a successful person, everyone will notice the slightest mistake you make. So, in today's lesson, I would like to tell everyone that it is, and making mistakes is the part of the progress. And as Einstein once said, that um, a one who doesn't make mistakes is the one who does nothing. Hari Om. Thank you. So, I would like everyone to share their understandings related to the story. And before they share their understandings, I want to know if you have any questions about this story. Okay. So, now you can share understandings. Only 3 lucky people will be able to share their understandings, and rest all people can share it in the group. Okay. Akshat, Panaga, and someone else? Rohan. Okay. Akshat, you can start.
What I understood is that even though people laugh on us, they say like you know only this much, but we should not be carried away by that.
Okay. Very good, Akshat.
Very nice.
Okay. Next, Panaga.
Yeah, what I understood was life is full of mistakes, and a person who does something will always do a mistake, and when we do a mistake, it's the step for our success.
Yes, very good. Very good, Panaga. Next, Rohan.
Yeah, I understood that mistakes are a part of life and we should not get demotivated by them.
Yes, exactly. So that is like the moral of the story of what we have learned today. And I would like to hand over
Wait,
to
wait, wait, wait,
Vijayji.
Snigdha. 1 minute, 1 minute. So is there anyone else with any other way of looking at the story? So all of us said, it's a mistake and we should not be demotivated. Any other way of looking at the story? Yeah, Rohan.
Yeah, and another thing is people always point out at our mistakes. They don't point out at our good qualities or strengths.
Okay, very good.
And I would also like to add on. So
Hmm.
whenever there is something which is happening, for example, let's say playing. So whenever somebody doesn't let us to do something, we always point out in the disadvantage in it. We never see the advantage in it.
Sure,
It
very
can
good,
be
wonderful.
anything.
Now tell me in that story, what is that exactly Einstein wrote on the board?
Like he was writing the 9 times table, and then in the
9 into
last
1.
he wrote 9.
What did he write?
He wrote the correct answer. He wrote 9.
Okay, why did people laugh? What did he write for which people laughed?
He wrote 9 times 10 is 91, so everyone started laughing.
So what do you see there? So on the board, 9 into 1, 0, he wrote 91, right? So what can we see there? What can we see there? Is it a mistake?
Yes.
It is a mistake when you see it thinking about multiplication. But for a moment, think about it. Let's say somebody is looking at it and says, okay, why is there an X there? X is a alphabet. I'm just going to bring the numbers together as an example. So he just wrote it as 9, 1. So that's another way of looking at it, no? So it is
Yes,
not
Vijay.
necessary that whatever the new way of looking at something need to be always wrong. Sometimes when a new way of looking at a whatever is happening comes up, it may look different to us. So therefore, we may laugh at it. Is it not?
Yes, Vijayji.
So, which means that many a times creation, when you're creating something new that nobody has thought of before, for them it will always look like something to laugh at.
Yes,
So,
Vijayji.
one simple example, is the earth flat or round?
Round.
How many of you think it is round? Can you raise your Zoom hand? How many of you think it is round? Okay. Okay. Sanvi, what about you? You think it is round or flat?
Yeah, I think it is flat because when the earth is round, even we are not like, I think it is flat, G, because we are not like falling or anything. It's flat for us.
Okay, all right. So that is when you look at it from the ground. But let's say if you go up, okay, like as in above the earth and slightly going up and up. So earth looks like a big ball. Okay, earth is a big sphere. It's like a ball, round. Okay, not exactly completely round, but like a sphere. Okay. Now you will all be astonished that few hundred years back, many people uh, in the Western world, say Europe, they all
Yes,
used to
Vijay.
think Earth is flat.
Yes, Vijayji. And then there were some scientists who proved that the earth was round. I've heard that.
Yeah. So, and the first time when he proved that the Earth is round, many people got angry at him. They got so angry and upset that they wanted to even punish him. So, like that, sometimes when you see a reality in a certain different way, some people who are used to seeing it in some other way may also get upset. So, one is correct. 9 into 10 should have been written as 90 if you apply the multiplication rule. But here is another way of looking at it. Okay. All right. Does anyone have any other question on the story that Snigdha said?
Vijayji, it's like truth is bitter.
Truth is bitter. Yes, that's another way of saying. Truth is bitter because sometimes when I have a very strong opinion about something, for example, if I keep on holding that, no, 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 earth is flat, then, if somebody keeps on saying, no, 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 earth is round, then I may get angry. In that way, truth is bitter. Yes, yes, Kriti. You can speak. Yeah, you can speak. What is it you wanted to say?
Oh no, sir. The hand got raised by mistake.
Okay, no problem. All right. So if there is no other question to Snigdha's story, shall we end the story? I'll end the recording. Hari Om.